Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Your school has been closed for a long time because of the coronavirus. Due to coronavirus, your academic activities have been greatly hampered. In order to cover up your loss, our school authority has taken a decision to take classes through internet. That is why I am here to take your classes and I am very much happy to do it. I hope you are also happy to come back to classes again. Today I am going to discuss a very important parts of speech, namely verb. So, dear students, our today's topic is verb. You must have read about verb in your previous classes. Do you remember their uses? Let's read a passage from your book and mark the verb. Please open your grammar book at page 26 and read the passage. The title of the passage is All About the Joke. Please read it by yourself. It will take only 2 to 3 minutes. During reading the passage or after reading the passage, if you face any problem, contact with me over the cell phone. I think you have finished reading the passage. Now, talk about the highlighted word with a partner. In pair, discuss the following questions. What is a verb? I think you all know the definition of verb. However, match your definition with me. Verb is a word or phrase that describes an action, condition or experience. For example, he run, sleep, etc. Dear students, you know, verbs are mainly of two types. They are finite verb, non-finite verb. Finite verb is a verb that is limited by person and number of the subject and changes its forms according to tenses, which means it agrees with its subject in person, number and tense. For example, Mr. Rahman teaches us English. Here, if you notice these two sentences, then you will find that the verb teach and learn are finite verb, because these verbs agree with its subject in person and number. In first sentence, Mr. Rahman, the subject of this sentence is third person singular number and the sentence is in present indefinite tense. That is why the verb teach takes es at the end. In second sentence, the verb learn agrees with the subject we. Here, subject we is a we. Subject we are a third person plural number, and that is why the verb learn doesn't take s or es at the end. So here these two verbs, teach and learn, are finite verbs. Again, non-finite verb. Non-finite verbs are those that are not limited by number, person and tense. For example, mother wants to cook food. We came home working. We came home working. If you notice these two sentences, then you will be able to understand that here main verb wants and came agrees with its subject. Non-finite verb to cook and working doesn't agree with its subject, and it doesn't matter whether the subject is third person singular or first person plural number. It always remains same. Here the verb to cook and working doesn't agree with their subjects. So here these two verbs, to cook and working, are non-finite verbs. Again, finite verbs are of two types. They are number one, principal verb. Number two, auxiliary verb. Principal verb is principal verb, the verb which used independently without taking help from any other verbs are called principal verb or main verb. For example, they play football. Here science and play are principal verbs because these verbs used independently in these sentences and express their meaning clearly. That is why these two verbs are principal verbs. Auxiliary verb auxiliary verb is a verb that helps a principal verb to form voice, mood or tense. Hence, it is also called a helping verb. For example, Sheila will sing a song. She is writing a letter. Here, the auxiliary verb will helps the main verb sing to form future indefinite tense. In second sentence, the verb is helps the main verb write to form continuous tenses. So here these two verbs, will and is, are auxiliary verb. Dear students, I think you have enjoyed my today's class and you learn more about verbs. Now it is time for homework. Before giving homework, I ask you to read a dialogue of your book that is given in page number 26 and 27. Your homework is to identify the verb from the dialogue. That is all for today. Thank you all for joining my class. Stay home, stay safe.